Welcome to a warm and inviting home where classic charm meets smart, efficient design. Step into the bright and generous living room where natural light fills the space and high ceilings create an airy, uplifting atmosphere. The thoughtfully designed kitchen features sleek stainless steel appliances, including a refrigerator, providing everything you need to prepare meals with ease. Each of the 3 bedrooms offers warmth and comfort, with wooden flooring and versatile layouts that accommodate restful nights, a home office, or a guest room. Nestled in a calm residential setting, yet conveniently close to Boston's amenities, this apartment offers the perfect blend of comfort, charm, and location. With its inviting atmosphere, spacious interior, and thoughtful details, this home is ready to welcome you in. Schedule your visit today. Discover how life at home can become your next chapter.